In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete all emails from one sender in Gmail, step by step. We're going to clean up your inbox quickly and safely by removing every message from a single sender. I'll walk you through each action, explain what to look for on screen, and share a few tips so you feel confident before you hit delete. First, open Gmail in your web browser and sign in if you're not already. You'll land in your inbox. Everything we're doing happens right from here, and it works best on the desktop version of Gmail. Next, use the search bar at the top of Gmail. Type the word "from" immediately followed by the sender's email address with no spaces. This tells Gmail to show only messages sent by that address. Press enter. Take a moment to scan the results and make sure they're all from the sender you intend to clear out. If something looks off, correct the address in the search bar and run the search again. Now let's select all of those messages. At the top left of the message list, click the small checkbox. That selects the emails currently visible on the page. A banner will appear offering to select all conversations that match your search. Click that link. You should now see a confirmation line indicating that every conversation from that sender, not just the first page, is selected. This is the key to removing everything in one go. With all messages selected, click the trash or delete icon at the top. Gmail will move the selected conversations to the trash. You'll see an alert confirming the move, and you may briefly see an undo option. If you click delete by mistake, use undo right away to restore them. If you want to permanently remove these emails immediately, open the trash on the left sidebar. Inside trash, click empty trash now. Gmail will ask you to confirm because this action can't be undone. Confirm to permanently delete all items currently in trash. If you prefer not to empty it right away, keep in mind that Gmail automatically deletes items in trash after about 30 days. Before you finish, double check that nothing important was included in that selection. Searching by from is precise, but it's always smart to review the results prior to deleting, especially if you receive invoices, receipts, or account notifications from that sender. That's it. You opened Gmail, searched by sender, selected every matching conversation, deleted them, and, if you chose to, emptied the trash to remove them permanently. Thanks for watching and enjoy your cleaner inbox.